The word symbiotic means a relationship where both sides benefit from each other. For example, sleep and productivity have a symbiotic relationship. If you sleep well, you work better, and when you manage your work well, your stress reduces and your sleep improves. Another example is exercise and mental health. If two individuals are helping each other, we can say that they have a symbiotic relationship. In a passage about coral reefs from Cambridge IELTS Book 20, we see this word used. The paragraph explains how algae get protection from corals, and in return, algae provide nutrients to corals. This idea of both helping each other shows a symbiotic relationship. Because of this, the correct heading for this paragraph is Cooperation Beneath the Waves. If you want to see the full explanation of this passage, you can check the link in the description. In writing, you can use this word to show a strong connection between ideas. For example, in an essay, you could say there is a symbiotic relationship between physical health and academic performance because better health improves focus, and good academic routines can also create a disciplined lifestyle. You can also write the relationship between economic growth and education is symbiotic, and then explain how each supports the other. So remember, symbiotic means both sides benefit. Try to use this word in your writing where two things support each other.